Begin with calming music, creating a peaceful and soothing atmosphere. Open with Welcome to Daily Prayer VN. Today we gather in prayer for those who are receiving treatment for their illnesses. We know that the road to recovery can be long and difficult, but with God's strength, we believe that healing is possible. Let us pray together for those currently fighting their health battles. Talk about the importance of supporting those who are in the process of treatment and how prayer can bring them the strength to continue. Being in treatment can be physically exhausting and mentally draining. It's important to support those in need, especially during such a challenging time. Through prayer, we can help strengthen their resolve and invite God's healing presence into their lives. Lead the prayer with compassion, speaking slowly and clearly. Invite the viewers to join in. Lord, I pray for those who are currently fighting illness. Please grant them the perseverance and strength to overcome, and bless them with healing grace. We ask for your comfort and energy to fill their bodies, that they may be restored to health. May your love and mercy guide them through this difficult time. With your strength, they will endure, and with your healing, they will recover. Allow the viewers to reflect and pray along with you, repeating the prayer if necessary for deeper connection. Encourage viewers to share their prayer requests or stories of those in treatment in the comments section. If you or someone you know is undergoing treatment for illness, please share your prayer requests with us in the comments. Let's support one another in faith and prayer and trust in God's healing power to help us through these tough times. End the video with a hopeful message, reminding viewers to subscribe for the next prayer in the series. Thank you for joining us today in prayer. May those who are fighting illness feel the strength and comfort of God's presence. Let us continue to lift them up in prayer, knowing that healing is in His hands. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Prayer VN for the next prayer in our 7-day healing series. May God bless everyone with health and peace.